In this video, I am going to teach you how to leave a fantasy league on Yahoo. If you're no longer interested in participating or simply want a fresh start, this tutorial will walk you through it. It's quick and easy. Just make sure you're the league commissioner before deleting a league. Let's get started. First, click Sign In at the top right corner of the Yahoo homepage. Make sure you're logging into the correct account associated with your fantasy league. Then enter your login details and click Next. This will take you directly into your Yahoo dashboard. Next, go to the My Team section where all your fantasy teams are listed. Find the specific league you want to leave or delete. Then in the Options menu, choose Edit Team Info. This is where you'll find management settings for your league. After that, click Delete League at the bottom right corner of the page. This option will only appear if you're the commissioner. Finally, click Delete League again to confirm your action. Once you do this, the league will be permanently removed and can't be restored. And that's how to leave or delete a fantasy league on Yahoo. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more useful how-tos. See you next time!